Somebody dies. Somebody goes to prison.
Why do you care anyway?
Because I want to get to the truth. Is that okay?
I'll smoke both y'all.
Kids are gonna die. You want that on your conscience?
You got any idea who delivers them?
Sounds like it's gonna be a bad fight.
Get down!
Put the gun down!